One more question that is repeatedly seen in interviews or validation. Why we study this validation? What is its importance means? In early days, around 1962, there is a drug that is thalidomide. It's a German drug company developed, sold in market as said to hypnotic nausea and even morning sickness in pregnancy. Soon after drug was sold in Germany, between 5,000 to 7,000 infants were born without limbs. Right. Throughout the world, 10,000 cases were reported. Only 50% are survived. With the people who took this medicine, they give birth to babies without eyes, deformed eyes, heart, alimentary and urinary tract, blindness, deafness. Think how tragic it is. It's so disgusting. To avoid this, FDA, Foods and Drug Administration, put forward certain CGMP regulations, ZMP regulations. By this validation process, we can overcome these tragic situations, right? This concept, validation concept, is usually brought about by the FDA, Foods Drugs Administration, for improving the quality of pharmaceuticals, right? Means to build the quality at every step of the pharmaceutical product, not just tested for at the end, right? This is done only with the experienced qualified personnel. This is an integral part of the CGMP, current good manufacturing process. These are the regulatory requirements to all the pharmaceutical industries in order to market the product, right, and to decrease the product recall from the market. It is an element of the quality assurance program, right? When do we do this means when a new process is introduced, when there are changes in conditions, when a new method is changed, right? In all the situations within this validation process, right? Coming to the definition of this validation process, it is an established documented evidence. It is an established documented evidence which provides a high degree of assurance, right? High degree of assurance that a specific process or the equipment will consistently produce a product or result meeting its predetermined specification and quality attributes, right? This is the process by which it is established by the laboratory studies. Okay, this process is established by the laboratory studies that the performance characteristics of the procedure meet the requirement of intended analytical applications. Means forwarding analytical applications, this process should useful, right? Coming to the advantages of this, it reduces the product recall from the market. We already seen the tragedy of thalidomide, right? This will reduce the product recall from the market, and this should carry individuals with necessary training and experience, right? This is about validation, definition, and the advantages. And why do we study this question? Why do we study this validation, right? Subscribe my channel. Don't forget about this.